Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table as a freelancer? You've poured your heart and soul into a project, delivered exceptional results, and now, crickets. The invoice feels like an afterthought, a necessary evil that often gets pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. But what if I told you that mastering the art of invoicing, especially within QuickBooks, can be a game changer for your cash flow and overall business health? Think about it. Your invoices are more than just bills. They're professional touchpoints, clear communication tools, and ultimately, the key to getting paid promptly and consistently. A well-structured, professional invoice not only tells your client what they owe, but also reinforces your professionalism and attention to detail. On the flip side, a poorly crafted or late invoice can lead to confusion, delays in payment, and even damage your client relationships. As a freelancer, you wear many hats: the creative, the strategist, the project manager, and yes, the accountant. While juggling these roles, it's easy for administrative tasks like invoicing to feel overwhelming. That's where QuickBooks comes in. This powerful platform offers a streamlined way to manage your finances, and its invoicing features are designed to simplify the process, ensuring you get paid accurately and on time. So, are you ready to ditch the invoice anxiety and take control of your freelance finances? In this video, we're diving deep into how to invoice your freelance clients like a pro using QuickBooks. We'll walk through each step, from setting up your client information to customizing your invoices and sending them out with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, you need to have your client information set up in QuickBooks. Think of this as your digital Rolodex, ensuring you have all the necessary details at your fingertips when it's time to invoice. To add a new client, navigate to the Sales tab on the left-hand menu and click on Customers. In the top right corner, you'll see a New Customer button. Click on that and a form will pop up. Here, you'll enter essential details like your client's name, email address, billing address, and even payment terms if you've already agreed on them. The more information you include here, the smoother the invoicing process will be down the line. You can also add notes about specific client preferences or project details that might be relevant for invoicing. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Save. Your client is now in your QuickBooks system, ready for invoicing. Now for the main event, creating the invoice itself. With your client selected, you can initiate the invoicing process in a couple of ways. From the customers list, you can find your client and click on the Create Invoice link next to their name. Alternatively, you can go back to the Sales tab and click on Invoices. Then click the New Invoice button in the top right corner. The first thing you'll want to do is select your client from the Customer drop-down menu. QuickBooks will automatically populate the billing address and other details you've already entered. Next, you'll see the invoice date, which defaults to the current date but can be adjusted if needed. You'll also see an invoice number, which QuickBooks automatically generates sequentially. It's good practice to keep this consistent for your records. Now comes the crucial part: adding the services or products you're invoicing for. In the Product/Service section, you can either select from existing items you've set up in QuickBooks or add new ones on the fly. If you find yourself offering the same services repeatedly, setting them up as products or services beforehand will save you time. You can include details like the description of the service, the quantity, if applicable, like hours worked, and your rate. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the amount. Don't forget the power of customization. QuickBooks allows you to tailor your invoices to reflect your brand and provide your clients with all the necessary information. You can add a logo to your invoices under the customization options, usually found under the gear icon in the top right corner. You can also customize the layout, choose different templates, and add fields like purchase order numbers or specific project references. Clear and concise descriptions are key. Instead of just saying, Consulting, be specific. Website redesign consultation, Phase 1. Discovery and planning, 10 hours. This level of detail helps your clients understand exactly what they're being billed for and reduces the likelihood of questions or disputes. If your project involves different tax rates or if you need to add discounts, QuickBooks makes this straightforward as well. You can set up tax rates within the Taxes section and apply them to specific line items or the entire invoice. Similarly, you can add discounts as a percentage or a fixed amount. Once you've added all the necessary line items and customized your invoice to your liking, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the quantities, rates, and totals to ensure accuracy. A mistake on an invoice can not only delay payment but also damage your professional image. Now it's time to send your masterpiece to your client. QuickBooks offers several ways to do this. You can email the invoice directly from the platform. Click the Save and Send button, and QuickBooks will generate an email with the invoice attached as a PDF. You can customize the email message to include a personal note or any specific instructions. Alternatively, you can save the invoice as a PDF and send it through your own email client if you prefer. QuickBooks also offers options to print the invoice if your client requires a hard copy. To keep track of your invoices and ensure you're getting paid on time, QuickBooks has a robust system for managing invoice statuses. You can see at a glance which invoices are open, sent but not yet paid, overdue, or paid. Regularly reviewing your invoice status will help you identify any outstanding payments and follow up with clients as needed. QuickBooks also allows you to set up payment reminders, which can be a valuable tool for automating the follow-up process. You can customize the timing and content of these reminders to gently nudge clients who haven't yet paid. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.